My favorite recipe, 12 minutes Frypan chocolate cake. Hello, today I'm going to share my favorite recipe with you, which is 12 minutes Frypan cake. For the recipe you will need a fry pan, 4 tablespoons flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 4 tablespoons butter, 1 egg, 1/4 cup milk, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 3 tablespoon cocoa powder, and for dressing, 3 tablespoon chocolate syrup and 6 tablespoon milk. Uh-oh, we missed half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's start making cake. Now, you are going to take a fry pan and spread some butter on it. First, mix the dry ingredients and then the wet ingredients all together in one bowl. Pour the cake batter into the fry pan and cover it with a lid. Then on medium-low heat, let it cook for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, poke the cake with a toothpick in the middle to check if it comes out clean. Then turn off the heat. Let it cool down for 5 minutes. Now, take the milk and chocolate syrup to make a yummy syrup and pour it on the poked cake. Don't forget to decorate the cake with some whipped cream, sprinkles, and chocolate chips. I usually make this recipe with my mama, and we enjoy making it together. I like this recipe because it is very easy, quick, and most of all, it is the yummiest one. I hope you like the recipe and will try it with your mama on this Mother's Day. Bye bye!